In current situation, people really need 5 things to survive: food, water, air, home and phone charging. Anyway, we want our phones to charge as quick as possible, even it is messing up our little digital friends. Well, there's a right way to charge our gadget as fast as possible so they stay longer, and there are some good ways. There are right ways to charge our phones faster and stay longer, guys. There are several wrong tips are there in several videos. So, avoid myths and follow these tips. The quickest way to charge phone by put off your mobile phones and charge it. It will improve the rate of charging. In other ways, we can put on the flight mode. It will also help by block all communication from internet, so it will improve your charging rate. And the second tip is useful wherever we go outside from home. Try to use Wi-Fi wherever available instead of mobile internet. So it will not reduce the battery life, guys. The third tip is not use the vibration mode in your mobile phones, which will drag the battery life down like anything. The real energy wastage. So instead of that, you can use the silent mode in the mobile phones. The fourth tip is don't keep the mobile phones in the sunlight area while charging. It will drag down the charge due to its higher temperature. The final tip is use the mobile charger given in the original package. Don't use non-branded chargers, it will reduce the life and not give the adequate life of battery. At last, drain and charge the mobile battery once in a week to enhance the battery life. If it's really useful to you, please subscribe Green Signal. Thanks for watching.